Excalibur Air Heating Plumbing Electrical has been providing AC repair and installation services to Olive, Orange County, Los Angeles County, Riverside, San Bernardino, Long Beach, Apple Valley, City of Industry, Carson, Corona, and the surrounding areas for over a decade. Our HVAC team has unparalleled experience and offers the Excalibur expertise that you can trust in Olive. To both residential and commercial clients, our mission is to help people live in greater safety and comfort. We do that by consistently providing superior customer service, coupled with the highest quality AC repairs and workmanship. We know that the growth and success of our business depend on your loyalty, so we do everything we can to make sure we earn it. To book your AC repair appointment in Olive, please call us at 844-434-2378. Or visit our website at www.callexcalibur.com. We look forward to serving you.